Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will learn how to install Dropbox on Ubuntu. For that go to the web browser. I am using Firefox, you can use any web browser. Click on it. Now here in type download Dropbox and press enter. Now open the link dropbox.com/install. Now the versions are visible to download here and we want for Ubuntu. So click here 64-bit. Now our current version is 22.04 LTS. So I'll click here to download 64-bit. Download started and completed. Right click, show in folder. Now it will take us to the following downloads folder. Right click and click on open in terminal. Now here in type sudo space apt space install dot slash type D and press tab. So here is a Debian package, press enter, enter the admin password, press enter. Why? Yes, you want to continue. This installed Dropbox. If you want to verify, you can go to activities, type Dropbox and it will be visible. Here it is. So guys, we successfully installed Dropbox on Ubuntu. Thank you for watching the video.